Everybody, I've got this new fireplace that I want to show off because it is a great addition to this office and a lot of different spaces. So this can be hung on the wall like I have here. You can also recess it into the wall by cutting out the drywall. And it's about 32 inches in length. Comes with a remote control as well, so you can control it from clear across the room. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. You can see right off the bat, we've got some nice bright LED lights. I can adjust the brightness of that with the remote. There are 5 different levels of brightness. I can also cycle through different effects of the lighting. So you can control the bottom effect and lights and cycle through those colors. I can also control the flames themselves and get different effects. So you can set it for any mood, any occasion, and get the look that's just right for you. There's also touch-sensitive buttons right here on the panel itself, so if you don't have the remote handy, you can set all of the same functions with these keys. It comes with a timer as well. I can go all the way from 1 hour up to 8 hours, and then it will shut itself off. And then for heat, you've got 2 settings. There's a low and a high. The heat comes through this portion right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. 1 dash here is on low. You can hear how quiet that is. It's not disturbing at all. Second click of the button there. Now it's on high. Puts out a lot of heat. So just out of curiosity, I want to see how much heat this will put out. So I'm going to measure that here in just a minute. So just to test, I've got this on high mode at the moment. And my wall right now is 71 degrees. And this heater is putting out about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So big difference. It's going to warm up this room really fast.